Okay, now starting the part 2, which is table layout, sorting and saving. Right. So this is basically the table layout in the HIS2 pivot table, which is already familiar to you. So there are columns. So here are columns vertically, which contain data in this example. And there are rows which contain periods in this example. So in a table, you get only columns and rows. You can put basically 2 dimensions. Where's the other dimension? So it acts as a filter to this pivot table. So this pivot table is filtered to have data from training land. So that is the filter. So to manage table layout, we need to know these 3 parts, which are rows, columns, and the filter. So with this knowledge, we can go ahead and change the table layout. The way of changing layout we will be discussing during our demonstration. And once you create your pivot table, you don't need to create all the times the same thing, but you can save the pivot table as a favorite. And you can save your pivot table as a favorite, and then at a later time, you can just open your pivot table. And the same pivot table, you can open and do some modification and save as with another name. Now, the basic theory part is over. We are moving to the demo. So here you can see our period. And so we have selected 6 months, last 6 months for this table to be included. But the thing is, now we are expecting to see separate data for each month, but here we cannot see that. So we just see a sum figure or cumulative figure of all the months. The reason is that we have placed period dimension or months in filter. If you move this period dimension from filter to column, then you should be able to see separate values for each month. So how we can do that is go to layout. Go to layout. I think you can see here. Then this is the layout window. In layout window, though, these are the 3 main areas to work with: filter, column dimension, and row dimension. What we want to do is we want to move period from report filter to column dimension. Just drag and drop. That's it. Just drag and drop. And even you can change the order here by drag and drop, and then click on update. Now our table is getting update. Now you can see on rows HIV test performed is disaggregated for each month. For each month. So it is disaggregated for each month. Right. So that is how you change the table layout, which is very easy. Okay. And now the next part, sorting. We will do this with the larger table, or else you can select use a sub 2 units to include all districts. Then if you want to find, so I will deselect this, and all the only all the districts are here. If you want to see in which district they have done the largest number of HIV tests during the month of, say, February 2020, just go here, just go to this column heading, and near the column heading you get this small arrow. Click on the arrow. Then the entire table is getting sorted. One click descending order, the second click ascending order. Okay. So very easily you can see Fish district is the winner in February 2020 in terms of HIV test performed. So likewise, you can click on any column heading to sort. Right. That's how you are sorting your data. It is very easy. So one more thing to cover in part 2, saving the table or saving the pivot table as a favorite, which is very needful and very easy. Go to favorite menu, and you can straight away save your table. Or as I have done some modifications, I'd like to save this table as with another name using save as option. Just change the name. So you have another table saved under another name, a different name, right? So if you want to rename options is also available. Click on rename, then you can change the name and save it. Click on update here. So the name will get changed or renamed. So this is how you save as a different table or rename your table. So all the options or the commands are available in favorite menu. So my dear participants, so that is the end of the second session, and next is to move to part 3. So yeah, it is very close to 11 o'clock. So I think so the basic things we have covered so far, and to continue with, so the rest, most of the the remaining parts are sort of advanced topics. So shall we have a little break and continue with your pivot tables? Okay, thank you very much, and over to you, Pramod.